Welcome back, Focus Fanatics. In this video, we will be talking about focused digital signage. Now, digital signage may be used in several ways throughout the restaurant. You may use it as a digital menu board, as an advertisement in a kiosk, or even to promote a high-margin product. With focused digital signage, you may display one image or video, rotate multiple images, or display an image based on the time of the day. Each station that is running focus can control a display. Now, these displays can be a standard computer monitor, a flat panel TV hanging on the wall, or perhaps even hooked up to a projector. The digital signage option comes standard with focus. But in order to take advantage of this powerful advertising tool, each station running focus must be capable of running two displays. The main computer display is always used for focus, and the secondary display is used for the digital signage. A popular scenario, and in the scenario that I'm using for this video, is we are using a resolution of 720p or 1280 by 720 for the digital signage. And while I've been talking, you've been watching different images rotating on a time sequence on the right monitor here. The images on the right would actually be displayed on a monitor that is physically connected to the computer, but somewhere else in the restaurant. Now, the order entry screen on the left is just displayed as a reference to let you know how it works. You can log in, take orders like you normally would, and you can see it doesn't affect the digital signage whatsoever. And it will keep on rotating the images like normal. So, in this video, we have a coffee menu, a happy hour menu, a burger menu, and we even have a standard advertisement promoting our MyFocus mobile product. You may also configure a video to display to keep your customers entertained while waiting in line. And you can also mix videos with pictures. So now that you know how the digital signage works and exactly what it is, I'll show you how to set it up. First thing we need to do is go to our display preferences here, and you can see on this station we have two monitors set up. So our main display, we're going to be running focus, so we have our resolution of 1024 by 768. And in our digital signage monitor, we have our 720p resolution, which equates to the 1280 by 720p. So let's go ahead and show you how everything is set up inside of Focus here. We're going to go to Setup. The first thing we need to do is go to our rear display formats. And we went ahead, just to make this easy, we named it Digital Signage. And you can see we can have up to 10 images or videos. The important things to remember is we have active selected. If it's not selected, obviously it won't display. And we just chose our images here. We can just click our little button right there and select our images. And our images and videos will be contained in our focus C:\focus\images folder. Now, it's important that you set the type to full screen. You can select the active time. Right now, all day. That means all the images will show all day. And you can say, hey, I want this one to display only during happy hour or perhaps Wednesday. So you can really customize what your digital sign shows on which day of the week. Perhaps you have a Wednesday margarita special. You can create a digital signage just for Wednesday. So, hey, come in for our $3 margaritas. And the number of seconds tells you how long to display the image or until it displays the next one. And if you have a video, you can say loop. Now, if it loops, that means that video will just constantly play. So that's where we set up the rear display formats. Now we need to set up our station to actually handle the digital signage here. So the first thing you'll need to do is make sure your station is selected. And under options, you'll see an option for digital signage. Just make sure that is selected. Then we'll go to Devices. On our rear display options, we need to select our format that we just set up, digital signage, and we need to specify the width and height that our digital signage resolution is going to be. And like I said earlier, for 720p, this is going to be 1280 by 720. So that about wraps it up for our digital signage video. Thanks a lot for tuning in, Focus Fanatics, and until next time, stay focused.